Hey guys, in this video, going to go over how to create a map with your Bestmow robot lawnmower. So we're going to take what we've actually learned with the first attempt with this and try this again. What we're going to do once we're all connected is click where it says create map. We're going to do the pull stick method. We found it's a little bit more accurate. So to do that, you need to click on that little pull stick option in the upper right hand corner. And then when you have the stick connected to the front, we can click where it says I'm ready. And now we're going to drag it around the perimeter of the lawn. So the things that we learned the first time, we did it 4 inches away from the perimeter, but we found that it was a bit cautious, maybe a little bit more cautious than we would have preferred when we had first made that map where it was a handful of inches away from the edge of the lawn. So what we're doing this time around is dragging it over the edge that we want to do. Went around this patch of grass much more aggressively that time in mapping it, making sure that it was actually over the line where we wanted to cut, because there really isn't anything dangerous in the way. And then additionally, we trimmed back these boxwoods. You can see that it left some long grass here because it was being careful not to cut in to where these boxwoods were hanging over the lawn, which is to be expected. So once we're done mapping, we can check this and say that we're done with the mapping process. So we were able to create that perimeter. And again, in the instructions, it says to stay 4 inches away from the perimeter that you would like to set. But if you do that, from what we've noticed when it was mowing, is it wouldn't go over that perimeter. So you might have to go back over yourself and trim the areas that it left. That's why this time around we went over the line, because we wanted to try to mow all of the area that we have here. I want to make an additional note at this point in the video. I got a software update on my Bestmow, and I noticed that it was a bit better at going up to and doing the areas around the perimeter that I had set. So in areas where it's safe, I went a little bit over the line, but then in areas where it was a little bit more dangerous, like along an edge where I had sand that I didn't want it to go into, or along a street edge where I didn't want it to fall over the curb into the street. For instance, in those areas, I was a little bit more cautious and maybe gave it about 3 to 4 inches away from the edge in the more dangerous areas. But in the safer areas of my yard, I went right up to or even over the line in those cases. An additional thing to note in the app, when you send your Bestmow out to mow your lawn, you can select either a low, medium, or high setting with how sensitive it is with object detection and how it does around the different objects. So in my first tests, I had this at the high setting, and it was super cautious around the boxwood, for instance. So you can put this down to medium or low, and it will be a little bit less sensitive, a little more confident in going around those areas. So you can play around with that, how sensitive you want it to be. And if you ever want to edit or create additional maps, you can click where it says mow and then click the edit option in the bottom right hand corner. You can add an additional mowing area, you can delete an area, and you can also add or delete obstacles as well with inside a mowing area.